Warning, this is not your average planner. Okay, guys, because I have so many binders, so many notebooks and journals from the last 5 years or so, I'm going to take one of them and make my own planner. So I'm already just have all my little stickers here. This is like a little tin can that my daughter-in-law gave me, so cute and retro. And I have like cutouts of different little things that I can use for the planner. I got these two containers here that I bought a while ago, around September last year. Or, yeah. And I'm going to be sorting out what I'm going to put in there for as my stickers. I don't believe in ordering stickers really because I have magazines and I can just get them from the cutouts. I can just cut out pictures that inspire me. So these stickers came with one of the planners that my granddaughter gave me or I bought. I'm not sure. But anyway, basically, I'm just going to take this book, and the front of it says Make Today Amazing. And it has this part right here where I can at least put it in the page to mark the page I'm on. And I went ahead and just got a ruler and marked out the actual calendar. This page I'll use for notating information. I have the spot down here, and then around the edges I can decorate. And I just leave enough space where I can put stickers in there if I like. So for instance, you have this type of sticker right here, which I think it's a good one because you have some lines already pre-made for you and it's goals. And, you know, I can just sit one on top of the square if I need to. But this is how I'm doing my planner. And I really enjoy planner. And I have stickers that YouTube friends sent me. So they have, you know, like where you can, they have a little grocery basket for you to show you grocery shop. You can have little pictures of cars like this to cut out to designate your car payment. You can also use little stickies like this to put on. And just have the little scissors here. Just going to go through. Sometimes you could put a picture of a camera if you film that day, which sometimes I do that. I have these little clear pouches right here that I have stuff in it already. So I have the little clothespin that I can clip to notify pages. It's just every little thing you can use that can just get you started for your planner. And I know that's a big business right now, and it could run you a lot just, you know, for ordering them if that's your thing. But it's the same to me as cutting it out. I take pleasure in cutting it out. And then sometimes I'll have these little strips that I get from the paint section at Lowe's or Walmart or Target or somewhere. And you can also use these to set on your thing and just color block and notate. So if you have a color theme going on, like for January, I'm just making it purple because it just ended up that way. I didn't start out that way. So basically it's just going to be like purple and pink. And you can just cut out this thing, stick it here, and then put notes in there or something. But all right, that's what I'm doing so far. So what I have here is like, because this is January, and of course everybody makes either realistic or superficial or resolutions that they hope to obtain. I don't know. I still believe in trying to start out the new year with my best foot forward. So I have this picture here that I need to put as inspiration in this side. So this is like a vision board, but a mini version of it inside of my planner. Whereas I will be making a real big one for my lifelong goals or year-long goal. So I do want to join the gym again. So that will be the inspiration there. And instead of coffee, I want to like transition more to green tea. So that's that inspiration. And I'm just going to be like trying to make a hearty salad for dinner and let that be my last meal. So that's what I'm eating right now as I'm working on the planner. And I just have like some lettuce in it. I usually prefer romaine lettuce. This is iceberg because it's what I had. Mushrooms, tomatoes, and some cheese and what do you call it? Croutons. not the healthiest in retrospect, but it's still better than eating like pasta or other things. So, like I said, I have like the things over here, and this is like all the things that I've accumulated within the last, sorry. And these are the cutouts that I've accumulated, I think last year, the year before that, or what have you. So I'm going to sort through these and then distribute them into these and then get rid of some, I'm sure. So this little tin thing here kind of, I feel like it needs to be decluttered, so I'm going to do that. And then I have magazines on hand that I'm getting rid of. They weren't magazines I purchased because I quit purchasing them, but they're just ones that I have that people left in the apartment that they no longer want in the lobby, or that I've absconded from the doctor's office or dentist's office. So, you know, those are usually donated magazines anyways. But, you know, sometimes they're just a current one and I don't want to buy them. So, and there's a lot of information I enjoy looking at and reading up on, so I bring them home. So anyways, back to the planner. And like I said, it's really one that I'm just going to make up. I don't know, at some point, I think first of all, I'm going to just have my calendar sketched out here. And then I'm going to leave the next remaining pages blank because I might want to like have information going on. I don't know yet what, but I just feel like I'll need the next few pages for jotting down different things, and then I'll start with the next calendar in February. Okay, I told you that I have a lot of notebooks, so I don't really want to buy a planner. So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you the tablets and notebooks and binders that I purchased throughout the years. And this is not even all of them, but this is just a handful of them that I had kind of on display. And I'm going to be showing you what I have because I've chosen to just pick one of the newer ones to make my planner from. So let me show you what I have here. All right, so let's see. Get some light on here. All right, so I mean, I'm just a sucker for what do you call it, journals and things like that. This is one here, and I don't even know how long I had this one. Pages aren't even used in that one, and I think I got this at Barnes and Nobles or whatever. This is one that I had that I kind of just decorated the outside. This is one here. And this one here, I kind of use for all of my passwords. So these two are made out of the same, like the same material. Then I have this one here, which is a recent one. This Express one is kind of like the one that I'm using for a planner right now. And I have this one, this one, this one, and I know you may remember when I hauled some of these in Amazing Grace. These are all just binders. This is another one that I just kind of zhuzhed up the front of it. Same here. I think this one was a gift for me. This one, and I mean these I got for $1 or $2, like dirt cheap on markdown. Then two of these right here, and then this one here. And then, like I said, there's one more right there, two more right there, and then there's a silver one, sparkly silver one up there. And that's just the ones that are hanging out here. So that is why I don't need to buy another planner. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit more. I found another batch of cutouts from magazines that I use for the, instead of ordering stickers and buying stickers for the planner, I'm going to show you the box that I found in a drawer that I have a bunch of cutouts in. I was just going through it last night. This is one too. And this is the one my granddaughter gave me that had some of those stickers in it. But this right here, let's see if I can just move some of these papers off the top. I have this Mead folder here, and it has different inspirational pictures in it. Then this box right here, I don't know.
It's just a red box probably from a Christmas or a music sticker I really like, so I just kept it. And
here we have all of these cutouts, and then I have this envelope here. And in the envelope, it has this sticker right here. This here. That. This. And this is what you would just decorate the outline of, not necessarily the actual squares with the dates on it. I love this one a lot. This is so cool. And these are like travel diary type of stickers, so I think they're so cute still. And then with that being said, then this one here, and it's like back to school stickers. So if I'm gonna get stickers, I'll get them from like Walmart or Michael's or somewhere like that, where they're go on sale fairly often. And then the rest is that type of cutouts from the magazines. I've been cutting out magazines for as long as I can remember. I've been collecting magazines since before I was 18, so I don't know how young, probably 16 or 17, and maybe younger than that here and there. But I got a serious collection from since I was 18. So I've always been, you know, fascinated with just drawings and prints, and whenever I wanted to get rid of a magazine, I would basically just cut out all of my favorite pages that were inspiring and punch holes in them and put them inside of a a binder. So, you know what I mean? It's just everything, anything, fun things, even a big old pizza. That's all for my planner situation. And let me know if this is something that you feel like you can do rather than just investing money in stickers, or do you like it the actual sticker way? Because I can do either, but since I don't have money like that, I'm going to go ahead and do it the way that I've been doing it. And like I said before, cutting out magazines for some reason is a little bit therapeutic for me, so I don't mind.